Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve spreadsheet part of the October-November year 2023. So let's start. Task 4 Spreadsheet. You are going to create a spreadsheet to calculate the income and expenditure of the century for 1 year. All currency value must be displayed in the euro dollar to 2 decimal places. 9. Open and examine the file and 23 tgs.csv in our spreadsheet software. Save this as a spreadsheet with the file name tgs underscore center number candidate number, for example this. So we'll open the file first. Save this file. Save this file as tgs underscore center number underscore candidate number. Place in the header left align your name, center number and candidate number. Right align the automated file name with its file path. So we'll insert the header, left align your name, center number, comma candidate number, and right align the file path with the file name. That's it. And we'll view normal. Okay. We finish 9. Okay, 10. Insert two new row column to the left of column A. Insert in column A the text as shown below. Format the spreadsheet looks like this. So we'll take the screenshot of this. Okay. We have to make the spreadsheet like this. Insert two new column. Click insert. Width of we reduce, then second month, third previous month, wrap the text and very increase the width of this. This is right align. So right align. Increase entrance fees. And donations little. Okay. Cells C1 to G1, I1 to L1, N1 and 2 have been merged and center aligned with 16-point white text and solid black background. Wrap all the text as shown below. So this will be merged to G, size is 16, background black, text is white. This is up to L, merge, black text white, it is 16. N1 and 2 is background and it is also 16, and it should be yes. Reduce edge and also reduce. This is the center. Into your merge. This is in the center. Okay. By this we finish 10th. Now 11. Place in cell G4 a function to calculate the total income for of January. So place the formula. Just delete that. Not here we have to place the formula total sum of total income. Place in cell L4 a function to calculate total expenditure for January. So total expenditure sum. This is the total expenditure. Then place in cell N4 a formula to calculate the profit of the month January. The profit is the total income minus total expenditure of this month. So profit and loss N4, the total profit is equal to total income minus total expenditure. Place in cell O4 a formula to calculate the balance at the end of January. This is the balance from the month before added to this month's profit and loss. So this will be N4 plus profit or loss. Replicate the formula entered in step 11 to 14 for each month. So we will replicate the formula. Okay. Apply appropriate formatting to all numeric data. So all data should be in the currency format to 2 decimal places. So to put in the currency format. Okay. So by this we finish 12 to 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Apply conditional formatting to cell in the range N4 to N15 so that if the cells contain a negative number, it is shown as a white text on a red background. So for the profit and loss, N4 to N15. So we have to apply here conditional formatting. New rule. Format that it should be less than 0 for the negative numbers. Format fill background should be red and font should be white. Okay, take the screenshot of this. So we have to place the evidence. Okay, we place the evidence in our evidence of this range also. This is the evidence for 17. So in the evidence file we write evidence 17. Okay, so we finish 17 also. Now save your spreadsheet and print your spreadsheet showing the formula. So we have to save the spreadsheet showing the formula. Show formulas. Make sure row and column headings are displayed. Print the orientation is landscape. Contain all cells are fully visible and can be easily. See, all formulas are visible. Yes. Print page setup, header and footer, sheet, row and column heading should be visible. Page orientation landscape and contain cells fully. Page should be landscape. Okay. Yes. So we'll just give the print. Next, 18 we have done. 19, print your spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure print fits into the single landscape. Page, row and column heading are not displayed. It contains all cells are fully visible and easily read. So now, file, print, page setup should be landscape. Row and column heading should not be displayed. All data are fully visible. Yes. So it should be okay. Single landscape page. So we have to shift in the single page. We'll just reduce. Now, okay, it's coming the single page, so we'll give the print, page setup, landscape, header and row and column heading should not be displayed. Okay, so now we'll give the print. So by this 19 also done. The October donation were entered incorrectly. In October, the donation were $42.10. Correct this data in the spreadsheet and print the spreadsheet showing the values. So The October, it should be 4.42.10. Then printout of it's on a single landscape. Row and column heading are not displayed, and this will be fully visible. So now take the printout, page setup, landscape, row and column heading should not be displayed. Please just will take the print. So 20 also done. Now by this we finish our spreadsheet part. Hope you understood. If you have any questions, do comment. Bye bye.